It's in nature, the autonomous inclination to do what is lawlessness in God's eyesight. But thank God for the blood. I believe the blood saved me. When I tried to hang myself, He kept a hedge around me. When I tried to gang myself, even demons on people try their best to play me. He started putting me back the way He first designed me. I have a strong spirit and a dangerous mind. I'm trying to tell you, Satan doing some dangerous lies. Say yeah, yeah. Jesus sacrificed His life, but rose from the grave. Oh, 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 oh. So you wouldn't die in sin, but have a chance to be saved. Romans 10:9 says if you confess Christ with your mouth, you can be headed north to heaven, not hell down south. Say yeah, oh, oh, yeah, oh, oh. Say yeah. I believe the blood of Lamb helped me be a dad to children born me that did and didn't have. I believe the blood of the Lamb makes me extra wise, that I might detect Satan everywhere that he lies. He'll even use your own blood to cause you pain or assign depression to make you feel insane. Say yeah, yeah. Jesus sacrificed His life, but rose from the grave. So you wouldn't die in sin, but have a chance to be saved. Romans 10:9 says if you confess Christ with your mouth, you can be headed north to heaven, not hell down south. Say yeah. I'm a man of God, I no longer play with toys. It covers me with peace with what I can and can't avoid. The blood gave me peace on nights I was restless, didn't feel restless, although I'm restless. Let's pray. Father, I am a sinner, I did not mean it. I want your spirit, now I've seen it. I ask you to forgive my sins by all of your grace, so on that great day I'll see your face.